Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, and today I'm taking a look at some little tiny portable lights from Weelite, except I'm assuming that's how you say their name, W-E-E-Y-L-I-T-E, and they just came out with these little SO3 lights. Check that out. These little tiny portable soft LED lights, and looks like they sent me 4 of them here. I believe these are all exactly the same light. They're just different colors. Please scan and download Weelite app to operate this light. Okay, so the deal with these lights is that you have to have an app to operate them. It's very simple, has an on-off switch on the top there and a 1/4-20 thread on the bottom. It has a 3.7 volt 1000 milliamp hour battery. You can power this via USB-C with a 5 volt 2 amp charger, and I think in here we have, okay, yep, you got your USB-C cable there. It's fairly short, so if you're going to power this with something other than a battery, like if you want to plug it into the wall, you're gonna want to get a longer cable for sure. But it does come with this little cold shoe adapter, which is nice. And I just dropped it. Okay, cool. Tighten that up in that bottom thread there. And do I have a camera here somewhere? What? Oh yeah. Original 6D. And this just pops on the top there. Boom! On camera light. Let's peel this sticker off here. Very nice. So it turns on right out of the box. You don't have to have the app, I guess, just to use the white light. But I would assume that it probably, whatever the last setting was, is what it's going to default to when you turn it on. Alright, let's download that app. Weelite app. That's downloaded. Okay, we need to turn on the light first, then turn on the mobile app, set the channel to 1, and connect the group number to A, then you can connect. Okay. Alright, so we're going to turn these lights on first. That's what the app looks like straight away. So we have different groups. So I'm assuming we could control these all individually, or we could group them. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay, so it's already connected to them somehow. Alright, cool. That's what your color temperature page looks like there. Okay, we got CCT, we got HSL, RGBWY, X and Y coordinates, so you can actually pick very specific colors using the color picker there. Alright, so there's your color chips. Switch between the color chips and that, okay. Now that's very blue. Okay, that's a little more accurate. So the color looks like it's shifting to me between like 20%. So it's on that purple right there. Well, that looks like there's a lot more blue in it. And then when I up the brightness, it turns a little more purpley. So probably not the most accurate color on these. Special effects. Ooh, candlelight. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, very nice. Fireworks. Very nice. So these are some pretty cool little lightweight lights. So how much are these actually going for right now? Okay, cool. So these are selling for $25.99 on Amazon right now. And those are actually some really cool little lights. Like these would be perfect accent lights for video creators. Just to pop around a set. You know, you could do a little bit of backlight. You know, if you have one of those sets that you have a lot of shelves and you just want little accent lights on the shelves, or even if you're doing a really tight shot of yourself, you could probably use these in some capacity to do like a little edge light, a little tiny hair light. If you do food photography and you want a little tiny light, accent light for that to carry around with you, this is super portable. Alright, I'm going to try something else. I'm going to turn those lights off, and I'm going to reopen the app. I'm going to select channel B, and I'm going to turn these back on. Okay, yep. So by doing it that way, I just changed them to channel B. So now I have control over those on channel A and those on channel B. So because these are so simple, it looks like that's the only way you can change which channel they're on. So for instance, I'm going to go to channel C there. I'm going to turn this off and back on again. Let's see if that did it. Yep. All right, so now I have those two on channel A, that one on channel B, that one on channel C, so I can control the colors, the intensity, everything on those. So say this light and this light I want to use as kind of my key lights. So we'll keep those on full. Let's say B, I want to change that to something a little more golden for my hair light. And I want to, like a crazy, I don't know, edge light. And we'll change that to blue. Pretty nifty. So when I originally saw these, I actually thought, oh, the simplicity of these is probably going to be a bad thing. But actually, it actually makes them really easy to use. And because they're such a small, inexpensive light, I don't mind that at all, that they don't have extra buttons like a pairing feature. Now the only problem I see is if somebody else has one of these near you and you go to pair this with your phone app, is that gonna be an issue? I don't know. Very possibly. I don't know how far these can communicate, so that is one potential issue. But thanks to WeLight for sending these over for me to take a look. If you want to check them out for yourself, check the description below. I'll throw some links in there where you can find them. And if you enjoyed this video, found it useful in any way, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Anytime you use one of my links to make a purchase, you help support the channel. If you want to say thanks, you can always hit the little thanks button under the video. And if you have any questions, just throw them in the comments below. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.